Hello guys! Today I do have the Mijia Smart all your glasses. I don't know how to pronounce it, you can correct me in the comments. How to do a factory reset of them. So actually, to perform a hard reset, factory reset, as someone call it, at first you need to plug your device into the power. We need to have our headphones charging while factory resetting them. So here, as you can see, we have USB Type-C cable, and I need to plug this USB Type-C cable in here. It's done. Now let me plug my both endings. Let me plug them to charging. Here, as you can see, we have this one. I hope so that these are this one, and here two. Now, while they are charging, we need to hold the touching areas over here for at least 10 seconds after the prompt tone. Actually, we can have them on our ears while doing so, and we should have them on our ears. So let me just quickly wear them, and let me tell you, quickly tell you. Hold the touch areas until you hear factory reset done. Actually, it's not factory reset done, it's just a tone that's somehow strange, but that's how it works. Goodbye.